Gusto ko po talaga makapagtapos ng pag-aaral para matulungan ko yung pamilya ko, especially ang nanay ko.
Kahit gaano kahirap yung trabaho, yung pag-aaral, I'm still strong and lumalaban.
Hi, I am Kals.
Hi, my name is Fair.
Ako po si Van Jasper.
Hi, I'm Dave.
Hi, I'm Anne.
My colleagues call me Mike.
Hi, I'm Ron.
Hi, I'm Jenner. I'm business manager in Security Bank.
My father passed away 10 years ago, so I have to step up as the eldest.
So life as a newly married couple has been meaningful, exciting, and at the same time full of learning experiences.
At work, I stepped into my role as an area head. But when I get home, I return to my most important role, and that's just being an ordinary mom.
I applied for the scholarship because I couldn't afford to quit my job just to go back to school. The scholarship made it possible if I knew I didn't try now, so I might never do it.
Noon po kasi, dahil marami po kaming magkakapatid. Yung kuya ko kasi, nag-aaral na at the same time. Tapos nag-giveaway ako. Then may opportunity dumating at ginrab ko para pagpatuloy ko pa yung pangarap ko na makapatapos ng pag-aaral.
Being someone in the sales industry is really not easy, especially for someone like me na di naman ako lumaki sa yaman. So we have a very humble beginning. My parents were farmers back then, and I don't have much connections.
Ang goal ko lang po is gusto ko po talaga makapagtapos ng pag-aaral para matulungan ko yung pamilya ko, especially ang nanay ko na hindi na kayo mangungupahan. Gusto ko po siyang mabili ng bahay at lupa nang masuklian na po yung mga paghihirap o pag-aaruga niya para sa akin at para na rin po sa anak ko.
I want to build for my family a better future kasi gusto ko rin maranasan yung buhay ng mga empleyado dito. So,
Nakastick ako doon sa kung ano yung goals namin and dreams ko for my family, which is of course to build a happy, stable, and loving home. Of course, there are some adjustments when it comes to balancing work and married life, but at the same time, it is very fulfilling since it gives me a new, stronger sense of purpose and motivation since I'm no longer working just for myself, but also for the future of my family, becoming a better partner to my wife and a provider for my family.
Being a provider has both challenging and rewarding na rin kasi, of course, I have to admit, financially, hindi siya ganun kadali. Pero pag nakikita mo naman yung mga pinagpaguran mo, tas nadadatnan mo yung family mo na okay sila, comfortable sila, worthwhile naman.
One of the hardest moments as a mom was missing a school activity because of an urgent work commitment. You know, you carry that burden with you. There are days when you really feel torn, wanting to excel at work, but also wanting to witness every milestone of your children. I learned that if I can't be present all the time with work and with family, I make sure that where I am and when I am needed, I am fully there.
So yung yung oras at tulog, di kulang sa tulog dahil po puyat, nag-review, yung kulang ka na rin sa time sa pamilya mo, pero time management lang po talaga.
There are days when I'm exhausted from work, but I still have to study and submit requirements. My work is also challenging because I'm in sales and I often travel to provinces for my areas.
there are long nights awake and kinabukasan po, yung inaantok ka. Kasi mahaba yung oras ng trabaho at pag-aaral kaysa pahinga po. Dumating din ako sa point na napag-isipan kong uminto na lang sa pag-aaral. Pero hindi pwede, lumaban po ako.
Hindi rin po pwede akong umabsent dahil yung mga obligasyon ko sa pamilya, yung mga bayarin po. Minsan nade-drain na rin ako, nabe-burnout. Minsan sinasabi ko sa kanila na ayaw ko na kasi mahirap, pero parang tinatawanan ko na lang, tuloy ko na lang, sabi ko.
When I come home tired and my son or my husband starts sharing stories about their day, it reminds me the reason why I'm working so hard in the first place.
I always think back na pagka ang hirap, sunod-sunod ang meeting, sunod-sunod ang mga nangyayari, changes are happening left and right. I just pause, take a deep breath in and just remind myself, this is for our future as a family.
Sabi nga ni God na huwag kang susuko sa mga pagsubok na dinaanan mo. Hindi lahat ng pagsubok ay mananatiling problema, lahat ay may solusyon.
Ever since I started my career in Security Bank, I have been able to provide for my family's needs. Was able to send my youngest sister to college, and now I'm sending my cousin to college. He will be graduating soon, so I'm very happy and proud to say that because of Security Bank, I'm able to help the people whom I love.
Nakabili na ako ng 2 motor, nakabili ako ng sarili kong kotse, and then of course, kinasal kami ng wife ko, nanganak ang asawa ko, nanganak kami. All these milestones were achieved because of Security Bank.
Naibili ko naman yung mga gusto nila, then nakabayad na rin po ako sa mga pinag-utangan ko. Then ngayon nag-iipon naman po ako para sa future namin, future ko. Sabihin mo na ako na, relax ka lang dyan. Ako naman yung babawi, gusto kong magpasalamat sa kanya sa mga... Mula na po yung papa ko, iniwan na po kami, 9 months pa lang. Siya na po yung nagpalaki sa amin, nagharuga. Kaya ginagawa ko tong trabaho na ito dahil para makatulong sa kanya, kaya laki pong pasalamat ko sa Security Bank Foundation.
My journey with Security Bank has really been defined not only by growth and achievement, but really having the privilege of building a career with purpose, stability, and heart. Security Bank has been part of that blessing. It has allowed me to lead with intention while remaining really grounded in what matters most, and that is family.
And I know that if I perform well, if I hit my targets year on year, I will be able to reap the benefits of my hard work. I'm now M-rank and my package has improved. I was able to have my own car because of the car plan. I was able to enjoy free travel incentives.
Well, Security Bank provided me a financial support through the scholarship, but more than that, they gave me flexibility. They didn't make me choose between work and studies, and that support made it possible for me to finish.
The support system that I have, be it the fact that I am able to work from home, be it the fact that the benefits are here, my wife is covered, my son is covered.
Through the bank's HMO benefit, I was able to support my father's medication during his final battle with his stage 4 lung cancer. Even though he's no longer with us today, we as a family still carry that gratitude, knowing that we were given extra moments together as a family.
So choosing Security Bank actually gave me something really priceless, and it allowed me to be present. And because of that decision, I was able to do like the school run from the time my son was in grade 1 until he graduated from high school.
Sobrang laking tulong ng Security Bank. Not just yung workplace environment because I have good boss and colleagues. Parang naging siyang partner ko in terms of supporting our finances. Malaki nung natitipid ko pag naka-hybrid setup. Mas nakikita ko, mas natututukan ko yung family ko ngayon. The dream life would be, of course, yung kids ko, lahat sila mapagtapos ko sila. Eventually, maka-move kami doon sa dream home namin. And for my wife, magkaroon kami ng separate source of income.
Sobrang laking tulong for me because without Security Bank Foundation, I cannot finish my study. At the same time, of course, hindi ko parang mapapatunayan sa sarili ko na kaya ko pala.
They pushed me to the point that I am now more comfortable with the decisions that I make, whether be it with Security Bank family or with my personal family.
My life at Security Bank is stability.
Successful.
Resilience.
A roller coaster ride of emotion.
This is my life at Security Bank.
This is my life at Security Bank.
This is my life at Security Bank.
This is my life at Security Bank.